Hello students, I send you Introduction of PowerPoint Part 3. Let's follow me. Dear students, it is a presentation software. At first, I show you the text box. The question is text box. So, how can I insert the text box in your existing slide? Dear students, click on the insert button, click on the text box, and you can drag the text box in your slide. Automatically the text box inserted here. You can write anything. Suppose you write GOOD, okay, your text good, okay, so in your screen. Next question, how to resize your text. Suppose this is also a text box. I write here 2020, that is the year 2020. So how can I rotate it? Look at here. It is the green color box. Suppose I press and hold the green color box, again rotate on the left hand side, that is anti-clockwise. I rotate it and fade the screen. So how can I rotate the good? If I select on the green color box, again I rotate it, so it must be rotated in your screen. How can I fit or resize it? Press the left mouse button on the border and hold it towards the right hand side. It must be placed. How can I move it? Select and drag it to the move handle. It must be rotated in your any place in the screen. Okay. Next, the next question, how to delete a text box. At first I insert a text box. Look at here, it is a text box. Suppose I write anything, GH, okay, suppose I write anything, I write here NAMA. So how can I delete it? Look at here, it is the text box. Click on the text box at first. Okay, click on the text box at first, select it and press the delete. Automatically deleted. The next one, normal versus text shadow. So normal text, this is the normal text and I write here standard 4. I select the normal text at first and click on any formatting features in your existing comment group, that is the font comment group. Font style, size, and group fonts, ring font, bold, italic, underline, strike through. Okay, suppose I apply the bold button, so normal text must be bold. Suppose I add the italics, so it must be slanting to the right hand side. It is the shadow text. How can I show it? At first select the text. Look at here, it is the shadow text. I already applied this text. Add a shadow behind the selected text to help it stand out on the slide. Look at here, it is the shadowing. Okay, it is the shadowing on your existing slide. Next, character spacing. Dear students, character spacing. I write here COVID-19. Select the text at first. It is the character spacing. Adjust the spacing between characters. If I click on it, very tight, tight, normal, loose, very loose. You can select any one from that palette. Suppose I write here normal. So I select the normal, it is the normal spacing. Again, if I click on the very tight, it must be tight. Okay. Next, text directions. I write here guidelines from top to bottom. Okay, so how can I set it, the text directions? If you click on the paragraph group, under the paragraph group, click on that place, that is text directions. Change the orientation of the text to vertical, stacked, or rotate it to the desired directions. If I click on it, here four types of text directions you can set here. First one is horizontal. If I click on it, look at here. Normally horizontal text appear here from left to right. If I click on the rotate all text in 90-degree, it must be rotate. So it is the text directions. The next one is align text. Suppose I write here stay at home. Already I write here the text stay at home. If I select the text, and how can I align the text? Again, the paragraph group, under the paragraph group, look at here. Align text. Change how text is aligned within the text box. If I click on it, here three types of vertical alignment you can set. First one is top. If I click on top, it must be top alignment. If I click on the middle, it must be middle alignment. If I click on the bottom, it must be bottom alignment. And the last one, convert to smart art graphics. Through the smart art graphics, I inserted here your 5 sections: Vidya, Vivek, Vinay, Shraddha and Bhakti. At first I insert here a new slide. So how can I insert a new slide and insert a smart art graphics in your existing slide? Look at here. Under the paragraph group, it is the smart art graphics. Convert text to a smart art graphics to visually communicate information. So if I click on it, suppose I select this pyramid list and to show your different class promotions. So if I click on it, automatically inserted smart art graphics in your existing slide. How can I show it? You are in standard 4. In the next year you promote to the standard 5, or the very next year when you are standard 5, again you promote to the standard 6. Okay, thanks to all everyone.